The Apple ecosystem. Everyone always talks about the Apple ecosystem. They talk about the cool features like AirDrop, continuity, iMessage, etc. And yeah, they are cool, but no one talks about the Android ecosystem. Well, I'm going to change that today. I'm going to talk about the Android ecosystem. Hey guys, this is Besh from Beebom.com, and the Apple ecosystem is called an ecosystem because of the way the different Apple devices are interconnected with each other. I mean, be it the iPhone, MacBook, Apple Watch, iPad or AirPods, all of these devices are designed to work well together. But what about Android? I mean, Google too has multiple platforms like we all know: Android, Android TV, Wear OS, Chrome, Drive. But in India, when we use an Android smartphone, we use a lot of different devices along with it. A Windows laptop, a smartwatch with maybe a third-party OS, earbuds from different manufacturers. So how does this whole ecosystem work? Well, first of all, I think there are three things that I really like about the Apple ecosystem. See, first is continuity. This lets you start off an app on one device, say the iPhone, and continue on another, say the MacBook. And as you can see, it actually works very seamlessly. I also like how these devices talk to each other. For example, there's universal clipboard support, so anything you copy on one Apple device is available to paste in another Apple device. Third are the universal features present on these devices like say AirDrop, which makes file transfer between these devices just seamless and smooth. Now coming to the Android ecosystem, Chromebooks, especially in India, aren't very popular. So most people who use an Android smartphone use a Windows PC along with it. Now, obviously Android and Windows are two separate platforms, but Microsoft with its Your Phone app has brought features that make the whole Android Windows experience a lot closer. I mean, the Your Phone app brings a number of useful ecosystem-like features. For example, I have my Pixel 4a paired with this ZenBook 14, a video on which went live recently, so check that out too after you're done here. Okay, so with the Your Phone app setup, I get all my phone notifications on the PC like this. And I also like that I can respond to messages from right here. So this is a WhatsApp message and I can just reply like this. This is very convenient. Apart from this, another feature that I really like is that I can see all my recent photos from my phone here. This is handy because this way I don't have to transfer photos to PC via mail or any other method. I mean, I take a lot of screenshots and sometimes I need them on the PC. So this is actually very handy. Anyway, the Your Phone app also lets me make or receive calls right from the PC. As you can see, there's the dial pad here. There's also recent calls and I can also search the contacts. So yeah, it's pretty nice. So these features are actually very good, but here's the strange thing. See, all of these features that I just talked about are present for all Android devices, but there are some more cool features in the Your Phone app that are exclusive to Samsung smartphones. I mean, first of all, there's universal clipboard support, so you can copy text on a Samsung phone and paste it on the PC and vice versa. There's phone screen, which basically lets you mirror your phone screen on the PC, which is again great. There's also Android app support in some Samsung devices, I think the flagships, which lets you run Android apps on the PC. Yeah, this is cool. Lastly, with one of the Samsung's flagship phones, you can also drag and drop files like this from the file manager. So this is actually cool. Now, these are actually very useful cross-platform features, but this is where the Android ecosystem kind of lags behind because, like I said, these features are not present for all Android devices. Anyway, it's not just this though. See, there are a lot of other great things in the Apple ecosystem that just don't work in the Android ecosystem. Let me give you an example. The Notes app on Apple devices syncs across devices beautifully, but it's not the same with Android. I mean, I use Google Keep for notes on my phone and I can get the same notes on my PC via the Google Keep web app. But in true Google style, the web app will soon be killed. So I'll have to use keep.google.com, which honestly isn't the same as using an app. Another example is when you set a reminder on, say, the Apple Watch using Siri. You get the reminder on MacBook, the iPhone, and even the HomePods, all the devices. Now, when it comes to Android, Google Assistant is not available on Windows. It's not available on most smartwatches because in India, most smartwatches don't have Wear OS. They have their own platform. So basically, you only have Google Assistant on your phone and maybe your smartwatch if it has Wear OS, and also a smart speaker if you have the Google one, not the Amazon one. There's also better sync in Apple devices when it comes to, say, photos. iCloud photos are available on both MacBook as well as iPhone, so you can access your photos anywhere, anytime. It's very easy. Google Photos, on the other hand, is not available as an app on Windows, so you have to use photos.google.com, and the experience isn't the same as an app. Now, it's not just MacBook or iPhone. If you use the AirPods with other Apple devices, it can be paired to 3 different Apple devices at the same time. And say you're listening to music on your MacBook and you get a call on the iPhone, the AirPods will automatically switch to the iPhone. It's not the same with the Android users. I mean, I've used earbuds from Xiaomi, Realme, OnePlus, and others in the past, and none of them do this. They don't switch automatically between the laptop and the phone. I have to do it manually. See, right now, there's only one word I have in my mind for the Android ecosystem: broken. Now, the biggest reason for this is Windows. It's a separate OS, it's obvious, but I don't think that's the big problem. See, the problem is manufacturers are busy launching new devices, be it phones, earbuds, smartwatches, IoT devices, without working on bringing a seamless experience between all of them. Honestly, I think it's high time Google worked with Microsoft to bring more cross-platform features, integrate the important Android services and features, and not just Google. I think other manufacturers should also work on bringing a more seamless experience between their devices. Look, 2021 should not be the year of rebranding devices. I really hope that this year, companies focus more on creating an overall user experience. I mean, Apple's biggest strong point is its ecosystem. So I think companies should come forward and create an ecosystem, be it the Samsung ecosystem, Xiaomi ecosystem, or an Android ecosystem, so that we finally have some tough competition for Apple. Well, what do you guys think? Do you think an Android ecosystem is even possible? Comment down below. Also, give this video a like if you enjoyed it and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.